This is Buster. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Do you mind if I sit?
So what you doing today?
Whatever the fuck you want.
I'm gonna have trouble pronouncing all these names.
Let me get my notepad out.
Honestly, it was a good day, huh?
Yeah. My name is Buster. I'm 19 years old, and right now I'm studying music in college. I want to become a more social person. I get nervous talking to pretty much anyone.
Really?
Yeah.
You seem pretty fine, huh?
Well, I'm secretly nervous right now. But yeah, I just want to become more comfortable talking to people. I think there's like a lot out there that I haven't experienced that I can get from just meeting new people. There's like that initial discomfort when you're talking to a stranger. It's like they don't know you, you don't really know how they're gonna react. So like, I don't wanna like make other people uncomfortable, but I know that there's potential to meet people without making them uncomfortable and get to know them and all that.
Any last word before we start?
Hell yeah, let's do it. Hey, what's up? Hi, I just saw you sitting here and you just looked really peaceful and chill. So I just wanted to say hi.
Thank you. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Buster. You mind if I sit?
Yes, go ahead.
Nice to meet you.
Do you live in the city?
I do. I live like 10 minutes that way.
Do you go to school here?
No. I go to in DC.
So I'm from DC and I'm just here for like a few weeks.
Oh, that's funny. We're like switching
Wait,
around.
what year are you?
I'm a sophomore.
Are you going into sophomore year?
Or I'm going into junior year.
Okay.
What about you?
I have a friend that goes there.
I like your earrings.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
So, what you doing? Eating Chinese food? Just
I
vibing?
took a truck over there that sells Chinese food.
How is it?
It's good. I just toured NYU. I'm like taking a gap year because I'm a dancer and I wasn't gonna go to college, and then I had back surgery in January.
Ooh, that sucks.
So
I'm
now
really
I'm like
sorry
looking at
about
college.
that. Hey, well, I hope you can
American?
keep dancing.
I'm back to dancing. I'm just like kind of burnt out.
I feel you.
Do you like DC?
I do like it. It's kind of like a nice change in scenery. It's more like peaceful.
It's still like a city, but it's like kind of chill.
Exactly.
Do you have Snapchat?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
19? Okay, I'm 18. I turned 19
cool.
in September. What are you majoring in?
I'm a music major.
Oh.
Which is like everyone there.
What type of music?
What kind of dancing do you do?
Ballet.
Ballet.
Like strictly ballet.
Do you want to show me?
Nope, absolutely not.
I come here and I play music sometimes with my friend. Bring the guitar and like a battery powered amp.
Well, you need to tell me when you're playing because I will come and I will sit and I will listen.
Definitely, yeah.
'Cause
Alright, well, I'm gonna continue with my day.
Yes.
But it was really nice to meet you. We should hang out before you go.
You should just text me.
Yeah. You free like this week or next week?
I have rehearsals until 8, like 8:30ish. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday and Friday, and then Saturday I'm done at like 5.
Okay.
Sunday. So,
Yeah, we should like go out and get drinks or something.
Yes.
Someday.
nice to meet you.
Really nice to meet you.
Yes. Have a good rest of your
Yeah,
day.
you too.
Cool. Damn. Before going, he was like, "Oh, give me a second, whatever." This was great.
Yeah.
How did that feel for you?
It was good. She was super open to talking to me, and it seems like we connected pretty well.
Yeah.
Seems like she's down to hang out again.
Yeah.
And I'm really glad I did it.
How did that feel? Is it the first time you do this? Have you done that before?
I've done it before a few times, but it's never gone that well before.
Okay.
And I feel like I got comfortable a lot more quickly.
Yeah. You talked for like 20 minutes, so that was pretty cool.
Yeah. Hey. Hi. I just saw you and I liked your outfit. I thought you were cute. I just wanted to say hi.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
How
you.
Are you? At Irving Farm.
Yeah, got it all
Good
over my
coffee
hands.
spot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you walking?
I was just going for a walk in the park, but I saw you and I just thought, nice to meet you. I'm
Yeah.
Buster.
Buster, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
But you guys are just hanging out today?
Yeah, it's a nice day.
Yeah.
A good day to catch up.
Cool. Are you from here?
I'm from here. I live in the West Village,
Cool.
but I just got back from school.
Okay,
So
cool.
I'm just here for the summer.
Okay. Are you like here interning for the summer or working for the summer or where do you go to
I'm trying to find a job right now. It's
Okay,
tough.
fun. Oh, I love that.
Just for the
You
summer.
guys went up and moved. That's cool.
Yeah, but what about you?
I went to NYU. But
Oh, so you graduated?
I graduated, yeah. And I lived here like a year and a half post-grad. So.
Cool. What did you study?
I studied film and TV.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So, you know, it's a good place for it.
What's your favorite thing about New York?
What? I don't know. Like, I think that you can just, honestly, probably that you can wear whatever you want. People always like, or express yourself however you want. Like, people always come here and they're like, what should I wear? Like, when I'm visiting.
It's like whatever the fuck you
and I'm like,
want.
actually, it doesn't matter. Like, at all. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I know, I like your style. You look very zen with like the glasses.
That's so funny. Like, I was like in my pajamas and then just kind of was like, all right, lunchtime. And normally I order it too, but it's so nice out here. Like, go for a walk.
Yeah, it is nice.
But anyway, yeah, it was really nice talking to you. My apartment's like right over there.
It was nice to meet you.
I'm gonna head in. Yeah.
Sorry, my hand has some tea on it.
Yeah, sorry. But yeah, thanks for coming up to me. Super nice.
Can I have your number? Maybe we hang out sometime.
Yeah, sure. There you go.
All right, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
It was good. I don't even really feel nervous anymore.
Yeah, I mean, were you ever nervous?
I definitely was. Maybe I'm good at hiding it.
That was great.
Hey, excuse me. Hi. I just saw you sitting there and you looked really peaceful. I think you're cute. I just want to say hi.
Hi.
You mind if I sit for a sec?
Sure.
What's your name? I'm Buster.
Buster, nice.
Nice to meet you. So what you doing today? Just vibing in the park?
Yeah.
It's a nice day to do that.
Yeah.
So are you in New York for the whole summer?
Yeah.
Do you live here?
Yeah, but I live in Brooklyn.
Oh, nice. Are you in college? Oh, nice. I go to in DC, but I'm from the city, so I live like right next to it.
Nice. What year are you?
I'm a sophomore, or I'm going into junior year.
Going into senior.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I like your freckles.
Thanks. You too.
Yeah, I forget that I have freckles. So, what are you up to? Just eating your food?
Yep.
Yeah.
What about you?
I was just walking with my friend and I saw you. I was like, oh wait, let me go back and talk to her. What are you studying?
Computer science.
Oh wow. So is that hard?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you've got what it takes?
Yeah. I guess.
Struggling, but getting through.
Yeah. What about you?
I'm a music major.
Ah, nice. What do you play?
I play guitar and piano. Mostly guitar nowadays. But
I feel bad about your friend.
yeah, I'll go back to him in like a second.
Yeah.
I just wanted to quickly say hi. Do you have Snapchat or something?
I don't have Snapchat, but I have Instagram.
Okay.
If you want. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, really nice to meet you. See ya.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Glad I did it. She seemed nervous, which I feel like it was harder to kind of connect with her because she was kind of closed off, maybe because she was nervous. But she was cute and I'm glad I talked to her. It was a nice little interaction.
It's the second time that you woke up to this girl, the first girl, and you were like, oh, you know, you look so peaceful. You know, because when we walked by, you didn't tell me, oh, those girls look so peaceful, I want to talk to them.
Yeah.
That's not what you told me.
I guess it is kind of just like a line.
Like a
I don't know.
dilation. You should be able to be direct with ease, you know,
Mhm,
and,
yeah.
and just like own it, you know, instead of like taking a side little door.
Okay.
Does it make sense? So for next time. But I mean, you know, like 3 for 3, that was great. That was great, and you went for it. So roll it.
Hi. I just saw you sitting here reading the book and I thought you were really cute. So I just wanted to come say hi. What's your name? Nice to meet you. I'm Buster.
Buster.
Yeah. You mind if I sit for a bit?
Go ahead.
Cool. I like your shoes too.
Thank you. I like your shirt. That's what
Thanks.
I was looking at.
Oh really?
Yeah, actually.
What are you reading about?
I don't know, I just started it. It's like a fiction novel. I don't know, I'm like forcing myself to read it. So I like non-fiction. I feel like I should read it.
It's non-fiction?
No, it is fiction.
But you only like
Not my
non-fiction.
thing. Yeah, usually.
So you live here, you're from here?
Born and raised.
Me too.
No way.
Yeah, I go to school in DC.
Wait, where do you go to high school?
Have you ever heard of
Yes.
You have?
I like fucking Party City.
Yeah, above
That's
Party
the
City.
wackest
No, it was a crazy
I've
school.
never met a single person who goes there.
Hey, well, you'll get the experience right now.
Holy shit, I'm honored.
Where did you go to school? Never heard of it. It sounds like some private school.
Never mind. Never fucking mind. Yeah.
How was that experience?
I feel like I'm being interviewed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get my notepad out too.
What are you doing for the summer?
I'm just gonna be here. I'm trying to find a job. It's tough right now.
It's not right now. It's so
Yeah.
true.
But
true.
just chilling, you know?
I feel you.
Yeah.
I feel you.
What
Same.
about you?
Same. I mean, I'm working. Just chilling with friends. Literally doing nothing for the next 3 weeks, so I'm chilling.
Nice.
I know. It's really nice.
What's your favorite thing to do here in New York?
Oh my god, it's so funny. Like, my favorite thing to do. I don't know, probably people watch.
People watch? Like you were watching me?
Fuck off, you're fucking watching me back. You can't say shit. Yeah. Honestly, fucking
Alright, fine. Sometimes I bring my guitar here and play.
guitar.
Mm-hmm.
Acoustic guitar.
What?
Acoustic.
No.
Electric.
Yeah.
So cool. Always want to play electric guitar, honestly. It's really sick. Are you good?
Am I good? I mean, I'm not gonna
Hype yourself up.
hype myself up. I think I'm pretty
You're
good.
fine. I'm sure you're good. I'm sure you're fucking good. That's really cool.
What are you studying?
Yes.
I give up.
International relations.
Oh, that's everyone at my school.
Damn. I mean,
I'm trying to get away from it. I'm trying to get away from it. So I'll see you.
How about you?
I'm a music major, so
Oh, so,
I'll probably be homeless,
so
but
you
that's
are
okay.
Good. So you are good.
Yeah.
Guitar. Goddamn. That's really cool.
I mean, you don't have, but can I have your number? We should hang out.
Okay, fair. Okay, I'll do it on you.
All right, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'll see you.
See ya.
Like
That one was the best one yet.
damn.
I'm excited about her. Hopefully
Yeah?
we can hang out. Yeah.
Man, this is like a walk in the park. I mean, like.
Literally. Yeah. Hey, I like your outfit. Sorry to interrupt your guys' conversation. See ya. Nice to meet you.
No way, bro. You broke the streak.
Yeah, man. It was alright. I mean, I kind of expected that
Why?
because she was in the middle of a conversation with her friend. So I didn't expect her to just want to just like pause the conversation and talk to me.
So I would say that this is a bullshit reason.
You think so?
The reason she didn't stop is because you walked in. The first thing you say is you were like, "Oh, I like your outfit," you know, and it's kind of like you just kind of like threw this thing at her, but it wasn't clear that you actually wanted to talk to her. You know, don't say anything of substance before you have someone's attention. And this also goes to show that you can literally have 4 great interactions in a row, and then you have a moment where you stumble. So it's life. So
Yeah.
It's great.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. I just saw you and I thought you were really cute. So I just wanted to come say hi.
Thank you.
What's your name? I'm gonna have trouble pronouncing all these names, but
You wanna add?
yeah.
You're so sweet. Thank you. That really made my day.
Where are you guys heading?
Cipriani, just for having lunch.
Oh, nice. I've heard of that. What is it?
It's an Italian restaurant.
Oh, sounds good. Sounds fancy.
Yeah.
You mind if I walk with you guys for like 1 minute?
No, not at all. If you want.
And then I'll go back to my friend.
Yeah. So what are you doing?
I was just walking with my friend, catching up with him, enjoying the nice weather.
Yeah, it's so nice. I wanna like meet someone that's from here, so like you can show me like the secret niche places.
No, I got you. I know all of them.
I literally just hang out with people who take me to like touristy areas that I can't handle.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of like Times Square and all that. It's too many people, you know?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is the restaurant?
Yeah.
Alright, it was really nice to meet you.
too.
We should hang out.
Yeah, of course. Just text me on Instagram.
Of course. See ya. I was surprised how open people are to talking to you.
Yeah.
Like, people are happy to just have a conversation as long as you're doing it the right way.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching this video?
It's definitely worth it to push yourself out of the comfort zone and do it.